Up to 4 rooms, and
working on my helicopter.
That includes your free HD TV upgrade, your free DVR upgrade.
This is a Century Predator converted over to a carbon fiber metal head and tail condor. Has a longer tail. And I've been working on this one for quite a while. I've had this helicopter for a long time, and I'm wanting to go ahead and finish it up and try it out. So I am working on it and kind of learning a lot of the helicopter stuff as I go, and reading and so on. That's what I'm working on today.
Short-term rehab or long-term care, security professionals at Brighton Ridge are there for you. Brighton Ridge is the only 4-star rated facility in this area. It provides a safe home environment. Brighton Ridge is
Let's see what that says. I have to look some of the ball links don't come out exactly like the instructions, so I have to look some of this up and work off of that to get my swash plate set up. As a rule, these links will be the same, and these will be exact 90 degrees. So that's what I'm trying to get worked out. Be back in a minute.